This one goes out to everyone who told me I would never amount to nothing. For the ones who told me I was wasting my time. But with God, look at us now. No stop.